Standard 1. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study also. Eat healthy food, play some indoor games. I hope whatever homework I have given you in maths and science, you have completed in your homework of your own time, because whenever school is going to open, I am going to ask all the homework which I have given you. So please be sincere and do all the homework. Today I am going to teach you science. Chapter 12, air. I have already started about air. Again I am just revising. Air is all around us. Okay? Air is all around us. We cannot see or touch the air. We can feel only. And we can see the air only with a strong microscope. Okay? But we cannot see air. We can feel air. How we can feel? When we use that hand fan, when you switch on the ceiling fan. Okay? Then we can feel air. Now I was talking about properties of air. Properties of air. Properties of air, I have already taught you that air has no color, no taste, no smell. Okay? You cannot see the air, that's why air has no color, air has no smell, and air has no taste. Second was, air fills up the space and gives shape to the thing. I have given you the example. When you will blow air into a balloon, okay, the size of balloon will change. When you will blow air in the tire means bike tire, car tire, truck tire, that tire size will be changed. When you will blow air into swimming tube size will be changed, because air takes the space. Okay, air covers the space and give shape to the things. Okay, when you will buy from the shopkeeper, size of the balloon will be totally flat, but when you will blow, it will take the shape of like a ball. So it says that air gives shape to the things also. And the third one is, air has weight. How you will come to know that air has weight? So first example, I have already given you tire, about bike tire, swimming tube, car tire. Okay, when air will be not there, when you will weight that tire, it will be light. But after filling the air, when you will again weight, that tire weight will be more. Why? Because when air fills up in that tube, that tire, it changes the shape from this, it becomes this. That's why weight will also increase. So weight is the heaviness of an object. Heavier things have more weight than lighter things. Heavier things have more weight. The things which is heavy, they have more weight. Okay, like take the example of this board and this marker. This is also very big. This looks also heavy. So this has weight, and you can see this is small things. Okay, that's why lighter things have very less weight. Bigger thing and heavier objects have heavy weight. If you and your father sat on a seesaw, your father's side will go. Okay, like you are in center one, and you just if you have seen a seesaw, one side seesaw, if you see one side, if your father will sit, and one side if you will sit, whose weight will be more? Your father will be more weight more. Then they slow so that your father is happy than you. Okay, when father you when that side you will sit and this side you will sit on seesaw, what you will be up. It shows that your father weight is heavier than you. Okay, you will be up on the seesaw and your father will be down. Why? Because the weight is more. When which side weight will be more, that side will go down. Like you can see in my hand, if in this hand I keep 5 kg. Okay, 5 kg something weight. In this hand, if I will keep 3 kg, this hand will go down. Okay, this hand will go down. It shows that that it has weight. So air has weight also. Now one more example you can say, one you just take deflated balloon. Okay, one you just take inflated balloon, one side take deflated balloon. Inflated balloon means to say filled with air. Okay, deflated balloon means say filled without air. Filled without air. Okay, so see here. This is A, this is B. This side I will keep inflated balloon. Weight. This is weighing machine. Okay, this is weighing machine. Or weighing, if you have seen weighing or weighing things, when you will go into market to buy vegetable, they will weigh on such thing. So this side is inflated balloon. Okay, this side is inflated balloon, and this side is deflated balloon. Okay, this side is deflated means filled without air. So what will happen? This side will go down. Okay, this side inflated, this side deflated. Then what will happen? This weight will go down. Okay, why? It shows that air has weight. If weight is there, then that side object will be go down. Whenever if you are one in market for buying vegetable with your father and mother, you will assume when your father and your mother buys vegetables and fruits. Okay, when the shopkeeper weigh that fruits and vegetables, okay, you will see when they buy equal, that's okay. Means here also 1 kg, here also 1 kg, then it will be equal. But when it is heavy, what happened? That object, that side, not one weighing scale. Okay, that object one, if that is heavy, it will go down. If this is heavy, it will go down. It shows that heavy object will go down. Okay. Next topic is the uses of air. So air is very important for us. Okay? Air is very important for us. Without food we cannot live, without water we cannot live, so without air also we cannot live. Why? Because air is present in the form of gases also, and whatever air we breathe, that oxygen, without, if we will not breathe, we will not survive. Okay? So we need air to breathe. We need air to breathe. First is air. We will see we need air to breathe. Why we need air to breathe? Because most living things such as plants and animals need air to breathe. Okay, animals also and plant need air to breathe. Okay, plants take air in the form of carbon dioxide for preparing their food. After preparing the food, they leave a gas. Okay, they remove a gas, oxygen, which is needed by animals. We breathe in air through our nose. Okay, animals and we breathe in through our nose. Okay, next line I will continue